Fast stop and a big bang drums. Alright. Who got the blue one? Hey! Will I get the blue one? More drums and a blue one. George, I got the camera working. Hey everybody, we got 105 in each machine. You on penny bets? Gonna stay on pennies? What are you doing? It's called Big Bang. Rocket game as we call it. 88 cents is the lowest. I'm ready when you're ready, I think. I don't know. We'll see. We'll just get caught up. Actually, look at all my fireworks are like way up there. I think I'm gonna go higher, George. Alright, there goes my free play. You have to touch the fireworks to get them to go? Finally a symbol. At least the fireworks stay with you when you play the knobs. Try times. Come on, get it, boy. Down to 2 cents. Not getting enough of the firework. Dragons. It's Lunar New Year, y'all. Happy New Year when you're watching this video. Full screen of dragons? Yeah. Missing one on the blue, one on the green, one on the red. Come on, pop something. I want to set the world on fire from the sky. Wow, that's a big blue. Get it, get it. You know, I wasn't watching the progressives. Hopefully y'all were keeping an eye on us. I kept changing the bets. The one I didn't try. Or did I try 2 cents? Just try that for a little bit. Here's a mini. Try those pennies, huh, George? Spin while the dragon's going, so you know you didn't get it. That's not fair. 3 of them worth anything? I need some lighter fluid, George. Fast stop and a big bang drums. Alright. Who got the blue one? Hey! Will I get the blue one? More drums and a blue one. Spin boost. Getting closer to see what they do. Oh boy, too far. Don't I always do that? Catch more. You got it. Come on. Not yet. First bonus, huh? What was the boost supposed to do?
We had the treasure boxes.
Oh, the treasure box would have been something. Okay. Maybe it'll give it to you back in a big line head. I had two. They won. Give it a Shinobi tap since you've been watching him. Hey, shout out to Shinobi Slots, y'all. If you haven't checked him out, take a quick peek. I'll drop you the description link so you can check out Shinobi Slots. We always catch each other in the Yoshi family chat room. Hey Yoshis, hope you're doing well today. Thanks for watching all. Oh no, George. I did the unthinkable. I ran out of the money, so... horrible thing, huh? Guess we'll go back and watch yours. Come on, another one. They're in 12 session points. That means I actually played 120.
Good morning.
She's cashing out.
Good morning. How are you?
I got my butt handed to me on my first game. Oh no!
You what? He got his butt handed.
They got nothing.
Oh,
Look,
wow.
they're all the way up, glare and all. And I didn't get not one pop on that one. Oh no! Oh, George took my machine. He's trying to get those fireworks to go. Is 88 cents on pennies better, George?
That's where I got the other one.
I was trying to get y'all a big bonus with the new year, but round 2.
What is the year of?
I believe it's the year of the snake coming up. But you have to also check what element, like wood, water, fire. I think it's a wooden snake. It'd be cool if it was a fire snake, but fireworks aren't doing me right. Two of them. Alright. But they're both the same color. Oh. I don't know how this. It would be good if he was a wild. My favorite. Thank you.
Straws?
Yes, the lucky straws. See? Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you taking care of us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Remember to tip your servers, y'all. Great staff here. Thank you to King's Casino for letting us play and show everything friends at home. How did you do that? Can't do it one-handed. Oh, you paused. Hold on, y'all. Straw emergency. Got to stay hydrated. Uh-oh. All right, now we're back. It's like we want Sheldon, Big Bang Theory. What was your favorite episode of Big Bang Theory, George?
The soft kitty warm kitty.
Little girl, a ball of fur. I like the one where he's feeding her the chocolates and it's like gimmick of getting her to do things because she just wants chocolate. Or she's doing it feeding him.
She's drugged up is pretty good too.
How about the one where
He sees her naked.
because she fell and broke her arm in the shower.
That's not my arm.
Oh really?
What is it? Let it go.
Sheldon's first boob. I never did get a chance to check out young Sheldon. Come on, 2 of them. I guess it's not time to believe the fireworks. They just don't do, huh? But Aunt Jackie from Roseanne being his mom is pretty funny, so.
Yeah.
I want to see if that guy is wild. I'll try to find it on here. But I can't hold steady. And look, same time, and you're going to get a bonus on me. What the? It's okay if you get a bonus. I'll enjoy it.
Let's go try the nesting bowl.
Going back to the other side?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for trying, George. That was fun. I'll see you guys later at the next machine. So don't forget to subscribe so you can find us. George, does this have a thing about him being a wild character? Where is it? There's major, progressives, all that. Does the Emperor even have his picture in the instructions? There's the rockets and the dragons and the chests. There he is. He's a 250 character, not a wild. Thanks for watching, y'all.